What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Nvidia stock for the morning update. We had TSM's earnings this morning as well, so let's see what came out of that as well. And is Nvidia reacting to that, right? Yeah, I know the articles are trying to correlate it because Nvidia is the headline stock that gets the attention. But we'll do the technicals precisely to the points at our levels the price has reacted today as well. So I'll show you all of that in this video. And since this is a morning update, I'll do another video once the market has closed. But by the end of this video, you would know what the price action is doing, how it's reacting, and what for the bears and the bulls, the direction for at what levels. Is Nvidia gaining some momentum back in the bullish territory, or is it still bearish? We'll talk about all of that in this video. So guys, with that, one more thing though. So this today, that's what I said, right? Can it do it below 50 days moving average? It hasn't done quite yet. We'll see how the day closes. But anyways, guys, I just want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. I'm only sharing my opinion, nothing more than that. You're solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes in the market, or whatever you do, it's your business. So okay, so Nvidia, let's start off with the first TSM earnings. Very high level, I'm gonna go on that. They beat the earning. It was an upbeat, right? Let's take a look at it. That's the thing on the Wall Street, right? They beat the revenue is down and the earnings is a beat. The profits are a beat, okay? So let's go back. So, okay, here's the thing, guys. Yes, they are showing it, oh yes, how we beat it and all of that. But look at it. Their revenue in the last earnings reported was higher than this earnings revenue. They even missed on that, right? And what were the reported earnings? 1.33. And last year they had higher. So, sorry, not last year, last quarter. So this could be very well, I like to do it quarter by quarter, not by yearly quarter. But anyways, this is how they do it. Wall Street likes to, I mean, they still, yeah, a little bit they beat it, sure, on the earnings. If I compare to the last year's, the same quarter. But I don't think that's the way to do it, but sure. Yeah, price is falling, right? You can see technicals were also looking like it's going to continue lower. It's a gap down on TSM. So yeah, today did some sell-off as well there. But anyways, that's TSM. Let's take a look at how Nvidia is reacting. So I'm not going to put a correlation between TSM and Nvidia, even if the articles are doing it. That's not the thing. They do, well, TSM does raises a, where we go. TSM did something that I think the overall chip related market. Okay, so they still say that Nvidia is going to be account for the 10th of a company's revenue. AI related demand is very strong. He said on earnings call, we have done our best to ramp up and all that stuff. So yeah, AI is the thing, right? But anyways, let's take a look at Nvidia, what Nvidia is doing. So guys, yesterday we flushed quite low, right? We closed at 840, but look at it. So this blue box is the distribution phase box, right? That level is there, 823 almost. Look at it, how precisely we touched down at that level of hours. Here we go, right? And then we're reacting to it. So we technically haven't lost the distribution phase, and Nvidia candle is turning green right now. It's at 853. So is this going to continue higher from here? Has bulls regained the control back? Let's take a look at that on hourly interval. I just want to show you that we are still below 20 days moving average and above 50 days moving average. It's a zone of choppiness on the daily interval at least. Okay, so let's go to the hourly interval. Let's take a look at there. So yeah, I was seeing the things in the pre-market and all these stocks opened up except Tesla, unfortunately. I'll talk about that in another video today, but Nvidia opened up at 863 and it's selling off since then. Let me show you actually 5 minutes here to you guys. Yeah, look at it, how high up it opened, 864, and then just sold off. yeah, for in the pre-market as well, and then the market open went to our level, guys. Look at it, how precisely pinpoint our significant level. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. Okay. All right, so that's that. But is it back in bull's control? Well, okay, here's the thing. This area, 850 and 859, is the area right now that I would say. If Nvidia can capture and regain and close in this level, in this area, I won't say that that we are fully bullish, but we can say that okay, bulls are taking control again. They have more chance of turning it over again, rotate it again to the upside, but that possibility would only start to happen if we get above 859 and closes the day above that. But then we are still below the 200 hours moving average. So it would be more like intraday bullishness, just like today we are getting some after recapturing 834 and getting out of this consolidation. And I think there might be some upside coming as if we continue to stay above 850 at least on intraday. But at least on the longer term right now, we are still in the downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. So if we reject at 859 and continue lower, then we are not bullish. We are fully not bullish. But here's the thing. Right now in this area, as I have been saying, just trade level by level, intradays only, we are between 20 and 50 days moving average. Nvidia one day will be long intraday, one day it will be short intraday. That's how it's going to be. And again, don't take it, a day after day consecutive day as, oh, okay, today was bullish, tomorrow is bearish, then bullish, then bearish. Now you have to work with the levels and the price action, but it's going to be a little bit directionless between 20 and 50 days moving average, and it's below 200 hours moving average, was trying to find still support in this blue box. So it's going to be a battle here. It's not going to be one direction, pick it up, and it's just going to be that direction. So as I said, we need to see a clean break either above 200 hours moving average for upside, start to change the structure, which at this point, if we can recapture, as I say, 859 today, that could be a start, but I won't say that it will fully become bullish, but that will be like bring bulls back in the play at least a little bit. So, but it won't be bullish fully. Let's take a look at daily interval again. So at this point, it comes down to, guys, can this thing, break 50 days moving average, right? Here we go. Can this thing close today below this purple line, that is the 50 days moving average, or is going to close above this? And then tomorrow, if we recapture 859 or not, or we flush lower. Right now, it's all about, as if we lose this distribution phase, Nvidia will have much more downside to come. But so far today, on the at least intraday levels, is showing support us at 50 days moving average. Okay, so yeah. All in all, that's that. We haven't regained this daily pivot that it could have formed, but it hasn't. That is at the level of 859, almost 858 to 859. That's why that level is also important based off of how the price would close. So it all depends how Nvidia closes today, but definitely, at least it's just been intraday plays, right? But and things are in the middle right now, okay, but you have the levels, you have the sentiment, what to watch for a direction on this, right? Okay, that's my opinion. That's how I'm reading the price action on this, and that's what I want to share with you. Let's take a look at QQQ and SPY real quick, high level. A little bit buying back coming up today. At this point, I won't be surprised if QQQ wants to for a couple of days come back up to 432. I won't be surprised if it does that, but then that would be the point of rejection. At least we are not bullish, but it could be the rebound coming. If we recapture and closes a day above 435 or so, then possibly maybe. Similarly, SPY is just showing a bit of rebound. Let's see if it can rebound back 50 days moving away, but it's not bullish, at least for now. Okay. Cool guys, that's all for this video. If you found it helpful and valuable, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos guys. Take care. Bye.